Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a creamy soup. We'll cover the essential steps to achieve that perfect velvety texture. First, you'll want to build a strong flavor foundation with your chosen aromatics. Then, we'll discuss the best liquids to use and how to introduce a thickening agent. Finally, I'll guide you through the blending process for a truly smooth finish. Let's get started. Building a great creamy soup starts with a flavorful base. Sautéing your vegetables until they're tender and slightly caramelized is key. Next, consider deglazing your pot to capture all those delicious brown bits. For thickening, you can rely on starchy vegetables like potatoes or create a classic roux. A roux made with equal parts fat and flour provides a consistent, smooth texture. This step is crucial for a rich mouthfeel. Now let's talk about achieving that signature creaminess. Once your soup is cooked, you can stir in heavy cream, half and half, or even full-fat coconut milk for a dairy-free alternative. For the smoothest texture, an immersion blender is your best friend. Blend until there are no lumps remaining. For an extra velvety result, consider passing the soup through a fine mesh sieve. This ensures a truly luxurious consistency. Finally, it's time to perfect your creamy soup with seasoning and presentation. Always taste your soup and adjust salt, pepper, and other spices as needed. A pinch of cayenne can add a subtle warmth. Garnish with fresh herbs like chives or a swirl of creme fraiche for an elegant touch. Serve your delicious, homemade creamy soup hot, perhaps with some crusty bread or homemade croutons. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.